Food check, ditang sa head, ditang sa head, ditang sa head. Baka mag-
Fu is
baka mag-
on cleric.
Ditang
Not
sa
focus
head.
on
baka
air
mag-
compress.
Light color, 8.3.
Yeah, ditang sa head. Careful. Beyond my east, beyond my east. Beyond my northeast kasi yung kahit pat natin northeast ha.
Mosux.
Yeah, I see him now.
Yo, bash now, bash now. OC, 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 OC. Yo, get ready ah. Ready to headbutt ah. Ready, ready. Yo, shallow, wait. Shallow the gate, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow the gate. Kill this fucking shit.
Bye.
Patay na yung caller.
Water throne. Putang ina. Meron pa yun. Enemies pa. Yo, bash guys, bash. Go, def now. Nice hook. Full bash now, full bash. Another one. Full bash. Mudskipper died. Oh my god. Full bash guys, full bash. Come. You ready ah? Deep northwest, ready. 5. Bash lang, keep bang.
5 seconds.
5 pa lang. 4, 3, 2, 1. Isadas now. Shallow.
Aga ng perma.
Ang aga-aga pre, 5 pa lang yun. Come southeast muna. Come southeast muna.
Light color
Stabilize,
yun na
stabilize.
second floor.
Come southeast,
Light color
ah.
second floor.
Come southeast, chill. Come southeast.
Ready.
Kill the guards first, Stoppers and pills, you can move up na. You go in, you hug east. Hug east wall. Okay, be ready to headbutt again ah. We kill this guy again ah. Yo, def now. You ready? Shallow the gate, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the fucking earth rune again. Kill this guy.
Nice.
Okay. Careful lang. Wait. Def now. Wait, full bash now. Full bash, guys. Cool dance fast. Full bash.
Ibon.
Full dance bash.
I got you.
Full bash.
Ready.
Yeah, chill.
I can set up GA pagkabasa.
Wag. Hug the wall. Bash. Get ready, ah. Wait. Chill. Someone watch my northwest, ah.
Watching.
I got the book.
Bash.
They're looking.
Yeah, chill.
Bird looking.
They might look over the wall, ah.
It's okay, I got you.
Careful, ah.
Bomb.
Hold.
Third
Keep
gun.
bashing, ah.
stacking.
Careful.
Light color isa.
Look over the wall, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall northwest now. Kill the fucking collar. Come east. Move. Go this fast.
5% gate. 1% gate.
1% gain.
Yeah, keep healing. You hug the wall now. Hug the wall. Wait. They still have engaged. Kill nga na, no? Guards. Focus on the guards first. Focus on the guards, guys. Watch my northwest, watch my west. We pick up shallow, ah. Yo. Look shallow west on me. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west on me. Hit. Nice hit. Then go move northeast now. Move northeast. Move. Ready to step, ah. Hug the wall southeast. Nice stop.
No. Didn't stop. Can't stop.
Yo, tell me if may English pa sila. Def now. Ready. Deep west. Ready in 5. Deep west in 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hit the gate. Hit the gate now. Drop damage on the gate. Move now. Northeast now. Full pills. Def now. Def on the front. Tell me Freddy, ah.
Speed bito.
Nice hook. Yo, inch up.
I got supply colors na.
4
I need
seconds,
someone
ah.
watch.
4 seconds. Inch up. Look north wall. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North wall now. North wall. Nice hit.
Another engage
Come southeast.
inside.
Come southeast, ah.
Bomb.
No, that's a fake. Hold on. Come southeast. Chill. Cool dance fast. Tell me ready, ah. Watch them. Kahit ako nga. Pajay ako west.
Ready.
Yo, pajay ako west. Yo, look. Wait. Chill. Inch up. Look west now. Shallow. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me west. Nice. Come back northeast now. Ready to
Hitting
kill.
from north,
Yes,
north
heal.
to-
I see you.
Always hug the wall.
I see you.
Be opposite of the reds. Yo, chill. We headbutt, ah. Tell me if up, ah.
Ready.
Okay. Inch up, ah. We headbutt. Kill the guards, guys. Yo, get ready. Hug the wall. Get ready. We headbutt. Get ready. Inching up. Hold. Danera fake mo ako, West. Danera fake west. Okay, nice fake. No more demons, ah. Come east. 2 demons down. Okay, inch up now. You ready? Deep northwest by the gate. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest on the gate. Deep. Nice hit. Then come northeast now. Full piece now.
Southeast sila ng...
Yeah. Full piece now. Just come east. Just come east. Hold on fast. Just hug the wall.
Ready,
Okay,
Zoro.
inch up.
They leave.
Deep northwest. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow the gate now, shallow the gate. Shallow the gate, hit this guys. Okay, click the gate now, click the gate. Everyone click the gate. Use doubles to this guy. Pull the fast, ha. Yo, click the gate now, click the gate, guys. Click the gate, click the gate. 3 seconds on me. You ready? Yo, wait. Keep this guy in shallow already. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow southwest.
Ibon nandito.
Yo, bash now. Bash
Dismounted or what?
Bash northeast.
Mounted.
Wala na yan.
I think we need to bash first gate. A lot of people outside.
Yo, bash east. Bash northeast here.
Ski.
If you're not here, just mount up and go here.
Guys, you're over chasing Sword mo, hindi na
First gate guys go around.
Just go around. You can go to the pang cannon room.
Madi-dismount ko yung ibon, Maple, pati ka umalis.
Ay, di mo sinabi.
Ang ina.
Nakagalang.
Sino namatay?
Mudskipper, boss.
Oh no.
Lord Nepal.
Boy ba si Mudskipper?
Patay kanina.
Nandyan.
Namatay si
Rigir net, rigir
Mudskipper.
net.
Pisting yawa ka. Wala kang rigir.
Bago wala kaming DPS dito, may nahabol kami. Patulog.
Tulungan nyo nga yan. Bomb squad, go to the ping.
Tsaka lang kami dito. So,
Gano'n, nagbabag ako.
Watch ko na lang kaya sa mobs to. Patay.
Nahinto ako.
Ito sa mobs.
Keep pinging.
Lahat ng buhay.
Sorry, di ko na stop yung bomb. Naka-GG boots pala.
Yan na yung papatay.
Nakalusot yung isa niya sa kanya, naharangan yung tropa
Hindi nyo
niya.
kayo stop. Basta sabihin nyo lang.
Yeah.
Again guys,
Pina-pick up
always
agad ni Lifty.
hug the wall. Just be opposite the reds. Yun lang.
Ito mo, na-purge ko yung sapatos sila sa GA mo.
Gagawa na din si Zoro ng video niyan.
Hindi, tangina nila wala silang kwenta talaga.
Wow. Ano na-outheal yung damage natin. Oh my god.
Takina nung kahapon kasi dalawa na nga lang yung heavy mace ko, mga pagod pa eh. Click the gate. We wait.
Uy, patayin nyo na.
PPM ko naman yung sideshow. Puking ina mo, Hershey. Come SMB, we fight open world.
Ayang ibon.
Pure Bloods, di po.
Full brawl tong hinayo.
Di po,
na to.
open world.
Saan ka
Castle,
nag-hit, Ski? Ganda
just-
ng pwesto ko sa baba.
Tangina,
Yung light color yung sinasabayan ko eh.
Nahabol yung ski, yung light color.
Muntik, madi-dismount ko sa ano.
Pogi
Tinigis
pa
lang
naman
eh.
nun. Parang bagay sa'yo yun, ski.
Itri nga.
Tungkunin niya eh.
Markado na ng skull sa akin.
Pag napatay ni, ano yun, ski, ikuip muna.
Bagay na kay ski yun.
Yo, X up nga. Sino namatay? Bukod kay Madskip. X nga.
May bomb squad ata namatay, dalawa. Sino Carlion and di ko nakita isang body.
Maple namatay.
Maple patay.
Maple die?
Patay ka ba?
Maple you die?
Hindi yan patay.
Una engage, patay si Madskip dito eh.
Nagpapalo kasi siya ng gate.
Boss, wag kang maunang pumalo kaysa sa ditang.
Dito lang si Maple. Si Madskip lang namatay.
PM niyo ako, babalik. Sino may tropa doon?
Sayang, Ski. Nasa baba eh. Mamamatay na.
Sinyo Carlin patay.
Nope. Paano kayo namatay ng bomb squad?
But invis sila eh.
Ay,
Tanong nyo round 2. Come.
Babalik daw.
Yan, putang ina nyo.
Ewan ko kung
22
kilala to.
tayo, 14 lang sila pala.
Elilandra.
Putang ina ba 22 na tayo?
Regrouping lang daw sila, Zoro.
Magic.
yan yung problema ng Agila talaga. Pag,
Tipo lang ako, Zoro, ah.
Nagmamagic kayo bigla na.
Late gamers tayo eh.
Habol.
Pag may content, tsaka umahabol yung mga itik.
Ako mahabol. Pag wala na.
Double engage sila, no?
Hindi.
Dalawa.
May
Doon namatay
may
si ano
may melee something lang sila na BS.
parang
Yung
bomb,
Mr. Riga, melee bomb.
Doon namatay si Mad eh. Hindi yata niya anticipate yung second.
Oh. Hindi. Kaya rin siya nahuli, hindi rin siya bumalik agad. Kung kaya ganun. Or dapat, ayun, basta after hit, move agad. Huwag nyo naisipin kung, wala, huwag na kayo mag-isip. Pagka-hit nyo, balik agad. Kahit.
Diyan na, pero maliit pa rin.
Hindi, dito sa Terry. Oh.
Ah, iba to?
Hindi, pareho yan.
18 sila, 18 na, 18 na.
Same.
Nagtawag na ata ng Alliance.
Nagre-recap lang.
Kailangan lang nila talaga magtawag.
Si Scripsen ang lilikod dyan, nagbabash siya. Opposite side.
Wala
Alive
akong pake.
May blabo.
Wala akong pake. Pumunta sila.
sa ano? Naka-dual comms ka pala. Pakita ko doon.
Hindi pa ako tumuntong sa 1.6.
Umagat
Yo, southeast mo mounted.
Okay, kap.
Masarap pala
Yeah.
clutch nito sa ano.
Yo, everyone dismount. Tanggalin yung mounts nyo. Alisin yan.
Pwede ako mag-setup, so...
Gusto mo ba sa taban ito mga to?
Nasaan ka ba banda?
Mas southeast mo lang, ito.
Di, okay lang. Pagbashin nyo. Okay lang. Pagbashin nyo.
Nag-dismount sila. South 2 screen.
Sige. Pag may isang lumapit dito,
Pudosin
bibigyan
na sila.
natin. Again, careful yo. Supports beyond the stairs para demons ready. You ready Shallow the gate ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate. Kill this guy. Putang ina, wala na kayong isa. Okay, one inig. Cooldowns fast.
Lipat akong north side no siya.
Yeah.
2 seconds.
Bomb might be north though.
Yo, BMS early
Ready?
Yeah, just hug the wall northwest Careful. Yo, Danera, fake ako sa gate. Pa-fake ako sa gate. Nice fake. Just hold.
Yeah, bomb is north.
More locus Careful.
Basta bomb sa aking east side.
Yeah. Just hold.
Coming
Bomb squad sa may east. You ready?
I got
Shallow
you,
the gate. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate. Kill this guy, please. If you can. Nice. Come back. Percent of the gate. Percent of the gate. Hello?
65.
Okay.
Ready?
Yo, northeast ng gate. Danera yan. Northeast of the gate. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast of the gate. Nice kill.
Top of dead.
Color dead.
Yo. Click the gate now. Wait. Just chill. Meron pa silang
Hold sila.
Yo, hold lang. Hold
Going to side mo yung bomb squad no siya.
Just hold. Kill that guy. Careful wait lang
Okay.
Yo, ditang
Promise
step
out,
up nga.
promise
Ditang step up. Everyone, we will click the gate, then go back fast Click the gate now. Click. Then go back inside. Nice. You ready? Shallow the gate. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this fucking clapper. Putang ina, may isa pang namatay na tumalon. Yo, ready? Left. Yo, everyone click the gate now.
2 seconds.
Everyone click.
Ready?
Putang
Bamay
ina,
na sa
may
isa.
sapatos akong hawak.
Northeast side.
Gago, may sapatos akong hawak. Paano to?
Wala yan, bag yan.
You ready?
Silence.
Wait. Shallow east, ready. Inside us now. Inside na lang, ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fucking kill this guy. Kill.
Hindi ko bomb squad
Yo, come west. Tang ina, may sapatos ang puta.
They lock. Walking down.
Try mo yung tab.
Hold us fast Yo, ditang come back. Let them push. Everyone hug the wall.
Hindi ko kita yung bomb
Yo,
squad,
everyone hug the wall.
Yeah,
Umalis
it's
kayo sa
north,
gate.
it's north.
Umalis kayo sa gate. Palapitin nyo.
North of
Palapitin
the
nyo.
lift.
Yeah, palapitin nyo.
Oh my god.
Armox dying.
Yo. Help bomb squad. Sige. Okay na natin yung regear. Ha?
Nag-aantay yata ng caller yan.
Sige, okay lang. Para tumagal to. Tangina, pera na to
Pwede ako matak dito kung gusto mo.
Wait lang. Yo, everyone click nga. Yo, support step up. You look shallow southeast Southeast in
Dito
5,
na caller
4,
nila,
3, 2, 1. Southeast now, shallow. Move now. Full piece now.
Yeah, CD pa si Tofu.
Yeah,
10
full
seconds.
piece. Just hug the wall. Dali, hit yan.
They look at deck tanks.
Careful. D-tanks, come back. Bomb squad.
Ito na Arkings.
Help piece
Oh my god.
You're fine. I got you, baby.
Yo, hug the wall now. Let them bash, dali.
Ako sa akin no.
Patagalin natin to.
Bomb
Let them bash, guys. Everyone. Alis kayo dyan sa gate. Hug dito, dali. Pasampalin nyo, Padilayan yung gate.
60 plus.
23 na.
Gi, padilayan nyo.
Nasaan ka kayo, boss?
Inaantay nila.
Sampalin nyo.
Hindi
Sampalin nyo
pumapalo,
ng
boss.
Inang may trauma na.
Ano ko?
Oh, putang ina, may 100k na baliw.
Ayun, lumapit
Ano,
yung
Yan. Sige, sige, sampalin mo. Markahan ko lang to. Tang ina kasing cursor ko naging sapatos eh.
Suotin mo kasi.
Naglulot pa kasi.
Senior, oh.
Kulit na ito. Senior ba to?
Oh, senior.
Di ba sa ako na yan? Tama.
Yeah,
Oo.
pati si Meriga.
Patayin nga natin yan. Yo, look, shallow the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Shallow the gate now. Come back now. Come back. Pass. Hold on, fast.
Stop.
Yo, pakotch ako ng bomb squad nila.
Stacking east. Bomb squad stacking east.
Careful ah.
3 seconds.
Careful east.
Bombing now,
I
bombing
got you. You're fine.
Ready?
Hold. Di tayo pwede lumabas, makakatch tayo.
Dead.
Yo, shallow the gate. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him again. Kung pwede. Kung pwede. Def now. Def. No, wait, cool down fast. D-tanks, everyone got.
I'm
Give me a
holding them, baby.
G-East. Give me a
2
G-East.
seconds.
Give
2
me a
seconds.
Holding them, I'm
G-East.
holding them.
Everything is inside us! In
Ready,
fucking shit!
ready.
In 3, in 2, in 1, ease now! Hit this, boys! Hit this! Patay yung
Low,
smoke!
low.
Ano, boy? Yo, come back!
Bomb squad on the east side.
Full pills! Come back!
Seal Mountain.
Ina, may clerical. Hinayupak na clerical yun talaga.
Ready?
Big bomb, big bomb. Nice.
Yo, wait! Wait!
Ready.
Okay, click! Look at Tofu! Inside us! Wait! Deep northeast, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me now. Deep northeast now. Take a delivery. Yo, kill nyo tong southeast, oh. Yo, cool down fast, just hold. Don't go inside. Come now. Wait, bomb squad looking up. Bomb squad coming.
2
Cool down
seconds.
fast. Walk.
Ready.
Everything on the choke deep. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit now the choke. Hit on the choke. Hit. Come west now. Ready, Pat?
They look.
Yeah, okay, no. Hold. Cool down fast. 10 seconds I'm up. Spread on my west. Spread on my west, ah. Chill. Yo, inch up. Walk.
They look on choke.
Walk. Careful on the choke, ah. Yo, be on my north. Angat kayo, punta kayo north. Yo, look east. Yo, wait. East now, shallow. Ready, inside us now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east now. Inside us now. East. Then come north now. Kite north, then go southwest. Peels now. Southwest now. Nice. Okay, come up.
Running.
Push out. Just chase.
Nabasag.
Drop your boots, then fucking chase.
Sir, I have tofu in south.
Yung ano pa to? Akala ko ibon.
8.3, sweet taste, 8.3. Sweet taste, dito sa akin, sweet taste,
Takin na
8.3.
ako na din yun ah. Abulin nyo. Yo, if you're behind, mount up.
No, sige lang, kill.
Walang kill.
8.3. Ito sa Game Gods, 8.3 yan, 8.3.
Takin ng GG.
Yan.
Ulul, walang GG.
8.3, patayin nyo.
Thank you for the love.
Thank you sa 8.3.
Ay, ako na.
Oh,
Why?
You killed Sweet
Amoy.
X by Demon Armor.
Nice demon.
Come
Pre,
west
nabasag yung
southwest.
color nila, pre.
Yo, mount up.
No trash talk.
Pogi.
Ina nyo, yan yung gawa nyo ng bod. King ina nyo eh.
Si ano?
Everyone come to the castle. May 10 minutes pa ba? Gusto pa nila.
Lumalaypak si Topo, ayaw mamatay, GG daw.
Walang life packs niyan. Patayin nyo yan. Walang GG.
Laypak ka, ha?
Run, give
ina
up.
na.
Kahapon, sinagasaan nyo kami, ha?
Hindi nyo sama-sama technique pa kahapon ha. Sino namatay? X-up. Oh yan. Game. May isa pa. Sideshow naman. Yan na. Puking ina nyo. Kayo yung mga kahapon ha. Hindi pa kayo nagsabay. Yun lang pag-asa nyo. Pag nagsabay kayo eh.
I'm gonna bank, yeah.
Bang.
Bank, guys.
Pero ano, open world to open world to. Pero sideshow lang
Yung
to, kaya...
sapatos mo, Zoro. Okay na ba? Yung sapatos mo?
Bak mo na
Dito,
sa
ngayon
sapatos mo, boss.
Gusto nyo ba makita yung itsura?
Patingin nga, ano ba yung sapatos na yan?
Yung cursor niya naging sapatos.
Ay, hindi, nawala.
Okay na.
Kailangan ni Altab. Naging royal shoes kanina eh, puki yun.
Hawak niya yung Royal Shoes.
Luto pa.
Hindi, nasa good naman yun.
2 healers,
Game.
42. Kulang ba talaga?
So walang namatay nung pangalawa.
Wala.
Ano, very good.
Naiya
Pag
na
ganun,
ata
two.
mag-express.
Bomb squad namatay sila.
Ayaw
Lorenzo.
Uy,
mag-XR.
mag-is kayo eh.
Wala daw ligil eh.
Ganun pa rin naman kahit di kayo mag-regear. Loot split lang naman yun.
Ang regear kasi walang mamamatay.
Lorenzo mindset.
Naiiwan yung 8.3. Kanina ko pa yun minamatahan.
Big bomb sila kaso lang na headbutt ata ng bomb squad din.
So, yung sideshow, ano to eh?
Yan, marami.
Halo eh. Halo na full brawl sa... Hindi, pero baka full brawl lang to.
Bigla siyang humble eh.
GG.
Wala na si Tofu. Offline. Alt F4 yata.
Oh my god, bro. You guys pissed Tofu. We fucked him hard, man.
Yo,
Ano
Ark,
ba
I
to?
saved your life!
Thank you so much, bro. I
Oh
was
my god!
hard dizzy. I was like, okay, I'm gonna die.
Yo, ano? Clash na sa comms ka? Baka si open world yung fight. Gusto ko, i-hold mo lang yung invis nyo hanggat di nag-walk in. Okay? Mag-bump kayo pag nasa loob natin. Pag hindi, never kayo mag-bump.
Oh, Zoro, are we fighting sideshow now?
Yeah, we'll fight sides.
Okay.
Hershey said
Oh.
he will come.
I'm gonna bring that.
OC
still
8
have-
minutes, by the way.
Abot to. We still have
Ano to, Wash?
3 OC.
Baka mamatay ako. Ano na.
Mamatay. Ayup. Binibigyan. Sinesend niya sa inyo my royal shoes na nalot.
Zoro.
Hindi ako.
Zoro boss.
Napindot ko lang yan, puta.
Nadipo nata ni Zoro.
Nagulat ako eh. May lumulutang na royal.
Love trip eh.
Ano lumulutang na royal?
Pag
Yung
yan,
cursor ko, naging royal
yeah,
shoes.
oh, yeah.
Yung
Out of lang
medyo
yan.
nagka...
So shoe is here.
Okay. Yo, can someone
Shoe
check
is in the bank.
their comp? Check for Infinity
Yeah.
Blades or full brawl DPS ha.
Castles, what map?
I only see the brawler D tanks.
See them.
Ay, where? Southeast?
Near the bank, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, everyone click the gate. Everyone click
They
the
have
gate.
infernal staff.
No
here.
DA.
Okay, come southwest.
Oh my god, it's full pro again.
Gagawa natin to ng
It might be
pangkupal.
DA19. It might be Clap.
They have Spike and 2 Oath Keepers. So it's Brawl, I think.
It's brawl club.
Oath Keepers, 2 of them.
But expect may full brawl na DPS na mangkukupal.
Yeah.
I saw a Spike also.
Nakakaro.
Spike with net helmet.
Touch nyo nga to.
boots.
Alisin nyo.
Great Hammer, I think it's full Brawl. Great Hammer.
Patch ito. Tangin na bawal mag-scout.
No, they have GA also. Maybe club.
Oh.
Doubt it.
Maybe club, bro.
Yo.
Yeah, GA.
Careful,
yeah.
come north, come north,
From
come north,
east
come north, come north.
It's
Wait.
infernal sights.
Yo, come east. We play choke. Come east. Dali.
Oh my god.
That is mounting on pink.
Yo, Ryosi food.
Alvin
Kamis.
Dalaw.
Careful ah. Walk. Hug the wall northwest ah. Yo, look shallow. Wait. Shallow northeast ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast now. Hit the shit. Then move northwest now. Move northwest. If they don't chase, we hold. Keep moving northwest. Okay, hold.
They look. They're
Yo, hold.
2 seconds, 2 seconds.
Yo,
Ready?
look north on the paing ano. Northeast deep ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this light caller. Hello. Nice kill. Kill. Kiss W's. Tari. Nice. Yo, ditang step up.
Monster kiting.
Walk. Just
Bro,
be on my
they
They will
east.
turn. They're turning now.
Just be on my east.
Ready.
Careful. Wait. 4 seconds. Danera, give me a fake northeast.
They have engaged
They're looking
southeast of
from
you,
east.
southeast of you,
East
southeast
choke,
of
they're
you.
looking
Care.
from
east.
They miss,
Yo.
they miss.
Yo, hold. Danera fake.
Kakatapos lang, Zoro.
Yo, look on me, shallow northwest. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow northwest now. Shallow northwest. Hit the shit. Come west now, come west. Okay, they're not chasing. Hold.
Dollar.
Yo, stop north. Hello? Yo, walk southwest.
2 seconds.
And walk southwest.
Engage north.
Southwest.
They miss.
Yo,
Ready.
No, shallow east, shallow southeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow southeast now. Shallow southeast. Come southwest. Chill. Move southwest now. Yeah, move southwest. Stay together, team. Come southwest, northwest now. Yo.
Ready.
You look northeast on the wall. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit
Southeast
that
lock,
shit
southeast lock,
and a
southeast lock.
motherfucking hit. Oh, come northwest. Come west. Chill. Come west. Keep moving west.
They still have 15 DA, 1
Yeah,
5
keep moving
DA.
west. Just keep moving west.
Long cooldown.
Keep
The
moving west.
brothers are
Ilan. Come west. Come west, guys.
Push smart.
I'm ready.
Come west. Look at me. By the tree. North. Wait. Straight north of us. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight north of us. Okay, then come uphill. Pillars hold the choke. Careful over the wall, ah. Pillars hold the choke. Bomb squad.
Not inching.
Okay, chill. We hold the choke.
They can still
Over the wall northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Over the wall northeast. Hit. Okay, guys, please hold this choke. Please. Hold this choke. No one goes off.
Somebody
this
else.
choke. Yo, walk east.
I'm ready.
8 seconds sum up. 8 seconds sum up.
Going southwest.
8 seconds sum up. Yo, wait. Come west.
You're going yourself.
Come southwest. Come west the northwest. Come west the northwest. Ditang's move. Come west. Straight west now. Straight west then south. Hug the wall south. Then look deep northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast now. Give me a pull. Okay, come southwest. Careful lah. Yo, bounce ka door take. Def now. Come southwest. Hello? Come south, guys. Come south. South. Brawl south. Help the front. Brawl south, guys. Kill natin to. Brawl south. Turn me up, ah.
Ready.
Yo, look at me. Shallow this guy. South. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy. Then move south. Keep moving south. If they're not chasing, we hold. Okay, keep moving south.
They're moving now.
Keep moving south. Move. Hug the wall. Be a
They're very
train.
far, they're very
Hug the wall. Be a train. Okay, walk north now. Look at this fucking heavy mace inside us now. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this fucking heavy mace. Good shit. Hold.
Side
Just hold.
brawlers, okay? Northeast
Just
side.
hold. Someone watch that brawlers, ah.
Yeah.
Can you hug the wall? Hug the wall. Just follow the wall. Then look northeast. Inside us left now. Inside us now northeast. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now northeast. Anything? Wala. Come southwest. Hug the wall southwest. Brawlin nyo nga to.
Brawlers looking.
Brawlers, come south.
Got it.
Hug the wall. Just hug the wall.
2 seconds.
Just hug the wall. May Morgana dito.
Ready?
Hug the wall.
Ready?
Yo. Look north is deep. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North is deep na. North is deep. Okay, come move southwest. Up the hill now, ah. Up the hill. Southwest then up the hill. Southwest up the hill.
The tanks.
Yo. Help the front, guys. Go down fast. We look over the wall east. Kaya? Over the wall northeast. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall east now. Kill this 2. Wala. Okay, just hold. Hold this choke. Beyond my north.
What the?
Ditang scum.
You're going southwest of you.
Yo, come south. Wait. Come south. Look at this ditang ka. South. Ready in 5. Wait. After ng night armor. Ready. Hold. In 3, 2,
Where's she looking?
1. North, southeast now. Kill this ditang. Come west. Yeah, come west. Move west. Occult if you have. Come west. Careful sa dungeon.
Big bomb.
Come southwest. Yo, come northeast now. Wait, chill. Wait, chill, ah. Yo, bomb. Wait, hold.
Brawlers.
Wait, brawlers where?
The brawlers brawled me, it's fine.
No.
Okay. Yo, look shallow dito again. Ready in 5. Patay natin 4, 3, 2, 1. Patay na to para wala na tayong stoppers natin. Please kill. Use W's if you can. Come west then south. South now. South guys. South. S.
Ready.
Wait. Look north. Wait. Hold. Inch up east. Be on the stairs, then look northeast on me. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast now on me. Hit shallow. Then come up southeast. Come up southeast. Hold these fucking stairs. Hold
Lolo
these
ko yung
fucking
last sa
stairs.
mga bomb squad mo.
Yo, bomb. Come, bomb. Yo. Help the bomb squad west. Inch up now.
Ready.
Inch up now. Wait. Give him fake northeast nga. Danera. North.
Round,
Kahit
bomb,
saan.
round.
Yo, straight northwest. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look for me. Hit the crown. Then come up southeast.
Have OC, by the way.
They
Yeah,
got G.
Reos guys.
They lock.
Pull down fast. Be up the stairs. Careful ah. Tell me if you're up ah.
Brawlers,
Yo,
west
inch up
side.
now. Inch up. Then look northeast. Ready?
Ready.
5, northeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Catch this shit. Nice hit. Then come southwest. Yeah, come northeast. North.
running.
Chase.
Yo, bomb squad inside you.
Madami,
Bomb
west.
squad
Yo,
inside
careful
you.
ah. Yo, look south. Look west.
Nightcaller 5.4 inside.
Yeah, kill this guy. Kill doubles only ah.
West, madaming west. We need help west.
You have the west.
6.3 light cooler, straight
Come.
Nightcaller did.
Don't let them out.
7-3 IS. We need help.
6-3 carving on me.
Yo, whoever
Step bumps.
kills hero guy, I'll give him 10 mil.
Step bumps.
Shiro.
Hero.
Ah.
Kaso wala pangit.
Kill. If you're behind, just mount up. If you're behind, just mount up.
The fuck?
You're behind. If you're behind, just mount up.
That's bullshit.
Bye-bye.
Tangina mo lip, bawi na ako ah.
Yan.
Gusto ko kasi isa-isa lang. Ang sarap, di ba?
Thank you.
Anywhere need help? Painting? Anywhere need help?
We're
Tanginang
chasing,
yan.
we're chasing.
Okay.
Lahat na lang ng content iniipit eh.
North also
What
have.
the f-
Yo, did someone loot the chest?
Dami sa southwest.
Duwan pa dito nakakrow.
Inapatay nyo na yan. Lahat
Sige,
ng
kamusta
pula.
tayo?
Pipin nyo to, Wanjin rin to. Going
May
north,
ganker sa
small talk,
harapan
going
niya.
south,
Lahat ng pula
Southwest.
patay nyo kung ina.
Southwest gate, hugging the wall.
kami ni
North,
Paolo, pre.
Kaya nga eh, nakikita ko nga eh.
Bumalik si Paolo ang puta.
north.
Dalawang bear po.
Sabi mo, bading.
Kita ko yun eh. Kahit taas.
Going east side, small choke.
Konsuntuhan kami sa buhay.
Sabi mo, LGBT ka ba?
Ayan. Going east. Going more east. Going to the yellow guy. North side of the yellow guy. West side of FK.
Okay.
South.
Again,
Side
X up if you died. Oh, one more daw. Ano?
Sige.
Hindi, wait. Pag hihintayin natin to, we need to reset. Kang ina nyo ha. We need to reset. Tapos pag nasa portal na tayo, sorry my guys are lagging up.
They are where they come from. Is it far?
Do you wanna bring loots?
Yo, get the loot now.
Lots na ba sa castle?
No-open na bang ka?
Na-open ba?
Hindi.
Everyone come to the bank. Then we go castle. Dali.
Not open yet. I need fame. I mean, my...
Ginabasagan ako doon ng Assassin's Hood.
Tumubawi ni Tang eh. Di, namnamin nyo muna yung pagkatala nyo kung ina nyo.
May Assassin's Hood ba kayo
Yung loot
nandun
drop
dyan?
1 Zoro sa may volcano sa'yo.
Yo, everyone come castle.
Kay Zoro yun kagabi.
Yeah.
Come castle.
Hindi pa kukunin yung loot, Zoro. Hindi pa, no?
Di, pinakuha ko na. Sa
Okay,
bank.
okay.
Oh, kunin nyo yung sa bank, then punta sa castle, then balik volcano.
Reset muna tayo.
Hindi, uwi na tayo portal. Kuha yung loot sa volcano, kuha yung dito sa castle.
Ano, 20?
Sa'yo pa rin yata yung sa Bridgewatch LD2 ah.
Okay.
Meron ba kayo extra Assassin's Hood dyan?
Meron
Pero
ako
mga
kaso
napauwi.
red. Asan ka?
Okay lang.
Dito ako red. Red ping.
Okay.
Click na sa castle yung hindi pa nakaklick.
Nung open world, medyo nag-overstay yung iba. Nadita ka. Medyo lang naman. Pero abot kami naman kayo. Pero, yun nga, medyo lang.
Yung iba dun eh.
Hindi ko pa rin magagamit ito naman siya.
Screens away ba sa'yo yung DS mo, Kuya CM, kapag engaging sila?
Ano?
Nakikipag-communicate sila sa'yo pag engaging sila?
Wala.
May sarili ata silang...
Wala, may sarili silang comms. Sinasabi ko lang kung ano yung trip kong gawin nila. Ewan ko kung nagagawa nila. Pod na lang kung ano.
Nakakita mo ba sila? Parang 2 beses ko din